Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really quick and easy 2-balloon flower. It's absolutely perfect for line work. It's also perfect for making into a really spectacular bouquet. And in a separate video, I'll show you how to make this really lovely bow so that you can turn your bouquet into something even more special and even more personalised. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in the UK. You're going to need a 260 inflated to a tail of 2 fingers, and we're going to make some loops. So just fold the balloon over and measure approximately 4 fingers. Give that a twist and pass the knot and nozzle through the centre of the loop. Give your balloon a little squeeze to keep it soft. That's going to help prevent it popping. Measure another loop to match this one as closely as you can. Give that a twist. Take hold of the knot and nozzle. Wrap it around that second loop. That's going to help ensure that doesn't come undone either. And then give your balloon a squeeze so that the end is fully inflated. And we're going to make one last 4-finger loop. So just fold the balloon over and twist around. And then when you've done that, just swap these loops around a little bit, and that's going to secure them all in position. Next, you're going to need a 160 with a tail of maybe 3 fingers and twist a bubble that is about 4 inches. And then we're going to make a pinch twist. So first of all, twist a small bubble that is just over about 1 to 2 fingers. Fold the balloon over and then grab hold of this bubble, pull it upwards and twist it around several times. Okay, so you've got a pinch twist. We're going to make another one of those. So again, just make another small bubble, fold the balloon over, and again, grasp hold of the bubble, pull it upwards and twist it around. And we pull it upwards to help stop the squeaking. The squeaking is a sign of friction, and the more squeaking we have with our balloons, the more chance there is that the balloons will pop. So pulling it upwards just helps reduce the friction because you're separating the bubble away from the other bubbles and the other parts of the balloon. Make a third small bubble of the same sort of size, and you've guessed it, we're going to pinch twist this again. So again, just confidently pull it upwards and twist it around, okay? And when you've done that, just swap your bubbles around, and again, that's just going to help ensure they don't come undone, okay? So that's what you've got. Okay, we're going to just pull the knot slightly here, and that's just going to give you a little more room. You're just going to be able to squeeze some of that air into the neck of the balloon a little bit. Make this a little bit longer, and it should be nice and soft. So make sure this part of the balloon is nice and soft, and we're going to make a very small candy cane. So we're just going to wrap those 2 balloons around one another, push the balloons through your hands, grab hold of the knot and nozzle and twist. Okay, hang on to this, don't let that go. And then you're going to pull the knot and everything into the junction of flower petal leaf loops that we made. Okay, I'm just wrapping that nozzle from the 160 around. Okay, you can make these flowers with 260s, but it is harder to do. Okay, so again, stretch this out, making sure it's nice and soft. So with the candy cane poking out of the center like this, and you want to follow the direction of the candy cane and wrap the 160 tightly around that candy cane. So as tightly as you can. Okay, and when you get to the end here, just grab hold of the tip and wrap it into those pinch twists. And then let go. Okay, there you've got your really easy flower.